And one of the more radical supports that you've given was the SOGI bill. You have supported the SOGI Equality Bill since it started in 2000. So nagtagal po siya, ano? Pabalik-balik, nasa Kongreso, tapos pagdating sa Senado, it will again get blocked. So 2023 na nagkaroon po ng movement, pero ayun nga, na-block na naman sa Senado. Bakit po ganun? Sa inyong assessment, dahil 23 years na tayo naghihintay.
Actually, inimbitan na ako ni Risa dyan ni Risa Ontiveros, kasi ano yun, alam mo, na-troll ako doon. Kasi, ang sinabi ko lang naman, ibig sabihin nitong bill na to, bigyan natin ng karapatan ang sino man, ano man ang kanilang gender orientation. Bigyan natin ng the same karapatan as we all have. Like for example, na hindi sila ridiculin, hindi sila pagtatawanan, mabibigyan sila ng trabaho. Kaya sabi ko, I am for that bill because I want that they will enjoy the same rights as all of us. Pero ang nagiging meaning ng mga troll is I will approve everything that SOGIs do. Of course not. I mean, kung promiscuous sila, I will also condemn that. Like I will condemn heterosexual people na maraming babae, may maraming kabit. Ganun din 'yon. Whatever is forbidden for the heterosexual will also be forbidden for the SOGI. So I am not when I say I am for the rights, yeah, exactly that they should have the rights as everybody else. But I'm not going to condone everything that they do. And that is the problem ng mga trolls ko. Akala nila just because I am for the rights, I will approve of everything that they'll do. Of course not.